All right, I've always said if you get the right tool for the job, it's gonna make it a ton easier. Now check this tool out. I didn't even know this tool existed, but when I saw it, I'm like, ooh, I gotta have it. So what this tool, well, probably just need to show you because it really is so much easier if I show you, and it's self-explanatory. So you know, whenever you're working on a truck or a vehicle of any kind, you gotta take these things off right here. Sometimes they can be a pain in the butt. And if you're just doing it and you're not in the shop, you probably don't have a ton of these lying around, so you gotta take them off without breaking them. A screwdriver's not gonna do it. And I used to get those pry bars that would do it, but that would break them. It would not only break them, but the plastic and they would be brittle and they wouldn't last for a long time. So now check this out. And put it in the right hand. You gotta have a tool. Check that out, just like that. It lifts, it crimps, and it's out, just like that. So look at the action of this. It closes and it pulls up. So this right here grabs it and then pulls up on it. Isn't that cool? I did not know that this tool existed. And just like that, you can always get them back in and reuse them. So again, this is the right tool for the job. It's not a tool that you're going to use all the time, but when you need to use it, it's going to get that done quickly. I got to go in there and work on my truck and work on a car, and especially if you're underneath and you got to take off all of those things. It doesn't matter the brand of car, the type of car. This is a universal tool that's going to work on all of them. And yeah, you're welcome for introducing you to this tool. If you didn't know it already exists, now you know.